We need to learn more about JSX and components. And to learn about these things, we really need to write out some code and work on some projects. To work on another React project, we could use Code Sandbox again, but to be honest with you, Code Sandbox is not very often used on professional projects. So instead, we're going to create a new React project on your computer. We're then going to develop it and eventually deploy it. Now, to actually create a new project on your computer, there's a little bit of setup we have to do. First, we have to either install or update Node.js on your computer. We're then going to use Node to actually generate a project, and then we can start actually writing some code. So step one, we need to install or update Node. To see if you already have Node installed on your computer, you can open up your terminal and run the command node-v, like so. If you run that and get back a version number, like you see right here, that means you already have Node installed and you do not need to reinstall it. It doesn't really matter what version you have, just about any modern version is going to work with React just fine. If you run that command and you get back an error, that means you need to install Node. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So here's how we installed Node.js. Inside of your browser, go to Google and do a search for simply Node download. The first link is going to be to nodejs.org. We're going to go there. On this page, you can download Windows installer, Mac installer, or get some Linux binaries. Download the installer for your appropriate operating system. Once it's been downloaded, just go ahead and run the installer. So here's the installer. I'm going to run it, and it gives me a series of windows to just, as usual, continue, blah, 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 all that kind of good stuff. And that's it. Once Node is installed, continue on to the next video where we're going to generate a brand new React project.